In this video, I will be showing you how I use ChatGPT as my personal interior designer to transform a small bedroom into a beautiful, functional space on a tight budget. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin the project, I'll head to the chat bar and paste a detailed prompt asking the AI to act as my professional designer and guide me through the decoration process from scratch. Once I hit send, I'll let the AI respond with its structured framework for understanding my space, which includes specific questions about my room's dimensions, lighting, and style preferences. Now, I'm copying and pasting my specific room details, highlighting the 12 square meter size and my desire for a minimalist Scandinavian look, while staying within a strict 15,000 peso budget. ChatGPT suggests a clean, modern design direction, so I'll follow up by asking for a specific color palette tailored to my needs. I'm looking for exact hex codes and paint brand examples that will help a small, low-light room feel much larger and brighter. To make the plan actionable, I'll then ask for a complete shopping list. I want to see specific items available from local stores like IKEA and Shopee, along with price estimates to ensure I stay under my budget. Next, I'll provide my exact room dimensions and ask for a text-based floor plan to visualize the layout. The AI maps out the most efficient furniture arrangement, showing me exactly where to place my bed and desk to keep the center of the room open and airy. Finally, I'm asking for a step-by-step weekend makeover plan to tie the whole project together. It organizes my tasks into a clear timeline, from Saturday morning decluttering to Sunday evening final styling, giving me a realistic path to a completely refreshed space. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own home improvement projects, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.